Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have a Panasonic television with a model number TC-50, or 60, followed by CS540, I'll go ahead and put the model numbers in the description so you can be sure. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it, which you're going to want to do for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this TV not connecting to the internet, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your devices or anything like that, where it's sluggish, not working, it's not responding, stuff like that. The second reason is if you're just trying to set this TV up as a new TV somewhere, you just want to get everything wiped off of it, we can go ahead and do this. Now you can do this via the menu, the menu options on the television itself. If you just hit menu on the remote and then go setup, system, factory, default, and then confirm it with a yes. But if you're having any issues where the TV is frozen and stuff like that, we can go ahead and force it to do it via the buttons. And the way we're going to do that is we are going to just go ahead and make sure the TV's on, and we're going to find on the back of the TV the volume down button, and on the remote control we're going to find the menu button, which is on the left below the power button, and we're just going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously, volume down on TV, menu button on controller, for at least 5 seconds. After 5 seconds you can just go ahead and unplug the TV and then release those two buttons. And then when you turn the TV back on, it will start up in its factory default state.